Hi friends and my dear students, welcome back to our channel Sandeep English World. In today's video, I would like to deal with an interesting item, that is different types of adverbial clauses. Look at the types of adverbial clauses. What is an adverbial clause? Before going to know about the adverbial clause, let us know in brief about certain things. What is a clause? A clause is a sentence or a part of the sentence, and it gives full meaning. Generally we say that a clause gives certain meaning, and a clause is nothing but a sentence. There are two types of clauses: main clause and subordinate clause. A main clause gives complete meaning, whereas the subordinate clause gives incomplete meaning. And even the subordinate clauses are broadly divided into three types. They are adverbial clause, adjective clause, and noun clause. Now I concentrate on my teaching you about different kinds of adverbial clauses. Adverbial clause, adjective clause, noun clause. All these three are a part of the subordinate clause, and let us know about different types of adverbial clauses. Really this topic is quite useful to all the learners of the academic level and competitive level. In many examinations you find the questions, so and so example is given, and based on the example a particular part is underlined like this. You have to identify the name of that particular adverbial clause. Look at these examples. You can go wherever you want. You can go wherever you want. Before we go through some examples, let me give you the detailed analysis of this adverbial clause. An adverbial clause does the work of an adverb. What is an adverb? In terms of parts of speech, you might have learnt an adverb is a word that modifies an adjective or a verb or another adverb. Totally, an adverb modifies a verb or an adjective or another adverb. And here an adverbial clause does the work of an adverb. See, you can go wherever you want. You can go wherever you want. And wherever you want, this is the subordinate clause. Which subordinate clause is it? It is an adverbial clause of place. It is an adverbial clause. It is an adverbial clause of place. How can we say that it is an adverbial clause? An adverbial clause does the work of a verb. It does the function of a verb. See, you can go. You can go. We have to question here. You can go where? Where you can go? You can go to so and so place. You can go wherever you want. You can go there. You can come here. When we make a question where, we get this answer. So that where refers to place, so we have to come to a conclusion that it is an adverbial clause of place, because we get this answer when we make a question here where. You can go wherever you want. So as this entire clause gives the meaning of an adverb, it is an adverbial clause of place. Then, as he was late, he was punished. As he was late, this is the subordinate clause. Which subordinate clause? It is an adverbial clause. Adverbial clause, because this entire clause does the work of an adverb. we have to make a question here. He was punished. He was punished. Punished. Why? Why he was punished? We have to make a question. And we get it as the answer. Punished because he was late. As he was late. Some reason we get. So this is an adverbial clause of reason. And in every adverbial clause we find certain subordinating conjunctions. Because all these underlined sentences are subordinate clauses. To form the subordinate clauses, we have to use certain subordinating conjunctions. And all these underlined sentences which are subordinate clauses give only incomplete meaning. We should keep in mind certain subordinating conjunctions which are also called subordinators. When two main clauses are connected by certain words, those words are called coordinating conjunctions, but here subordinating conjunctions. See here, as he was late, it gives some reason. Because of, as he was late, since he was late. So these words are often introduced in the adverbial clauses of reason. Next, all the students will stand up when the teacher enters the class. All the students will stand up. They stand. When they stand, we have to question. When they stand, when the teacher enters the class. When we make a question on the verb stand, we get this. So that, and all this clause does the work of an adverb. So it is an adverbial clause of time. As we get some time as the answer, it is an adverbial clause of time. And most of the adverbial clauses of time are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions like when, sometimes while. We can use certain words also, when, while, until, like that. Before, sometimes before also we use. Next, though he worked hard, he failed. Though he worked hard, he failed. He failed. Why he failed? He failed. And because of what? Though he worked hard. Not because of what here. Though he worked hard means he did something. And it is a kind of a concessionary clause. Concessionary clause. Because we did something here. I offered some money to somebody as part of my help. It's a kind of concession. I reduced the money of payment. It's a kind of concession. He failed despite his hard work. In spite of his hard work. Despite his hard work. Though he worked hard. Although he worked hard. Even though he worked hard. See that the very conjunction though, the subordinating conjunction though, although, even though, and these conjunctions are introduced in the adverbial clause of concession. Because some concession is involved here. He did some hard work. In spite of that work, he failed. So, whenever you find these conjunctions, you have to understand that it is an adverbial clause of concession. If you walk fast, you will catch the bus. Some condition is involved here. You will catch the bus. Will catch. When you will catch? If you walk fast. Some condition is there. There is a possibility of your catching the bus. In case of you are walking fast. Some condition is involved here. Often we find a if clause as a conditional clause. Sometimes in place of if you find unless. If, unless, sometimes till and until also we use here. If you walk fast, you will catch the bus. Some condition is involved here, so that it is an adverbial clause of a condition. And this very adverbial clause does the work of an adverb. How? You will catch. When you will catch? When you do this. some condition is there. The old man is so weak that he cannot walk. That he cannot walk. This is the subordinating clause. This is the adverbial clause. This is the adverbial clause of consequence. Why we call it an adverbial clause of consequence? The old man is so weak. Here, weak is the adjective here. Weak. How? As a result of his weakness, what happened? He cannot walk. Weak. So weak that he cannot walk. And here, this clause acts as an adverb, and it acts as an adverb because here this clause modifies this adjective. As I have said, an adverb modifies a verb or an adjective or another adverb. He is so weak because of the weakness, he cannot walk. So here it is an adverbial clause of consequence. What is the result of his weakness? The result of his weakness, the consequence of his weakness is that he cannot walk. So we have to say that it is an adverbial clause of consequence. That is the result of this. He walked as far as he dared. And as far as he dared. It is an adverbial clause of comparison or degree. Comparison or degree. So, and this adverbial clause of comparison or degree is often introduced by the expression like as far as, you will find it. See, he walked, and some comparison is involved here. He walked as far as I walked, as far as they walked, and some comparison is there. As far as he did. So some comparison is involved here, so that it is an adverbial clause of comparison. And we can also say it is an adverb. How it can be an adverb, and how this clause does the work of an adverb. As far, see, he walked. How far he walked? As far as he dared. So that this very clause gives the meaning of an adverb and it modifies this verb. He is not clever as you think. It is an adverbial clause of manner. And here we get this adverbial clause of manner by questioning how. He is not clever. How clever? As you think. In the manner of your thinking. He is not up to the manner of your level or the level of your manner or your thinking. He is not clever as you think. And to indicate the adverbial clause of manner, often the word like as is introduced. We eat so that we may live. We eat so that we may live. So that we eat, and some meaning is added here. So the very clause modifies this verb. We eat. Why we eat? So that we may live. What is the purpose of our eating? The main purpose of our eating is that we can live. We eat so that often this adverbial clause of purpose, some purpose is involved here, and in this adverbial clause of purpose, often the subordinating conjunction so that is often introduced here. We have to remember all these subordinating conjunctions to identify the adverbial clause of place. We generally use, we have to remember where or wherever the subordinating conjunctions. Similarly, to indicate the reason, as, since, because, certain subordinating conjunctions. Similarly, to indicate some time, when, sometimes while, sometimes after, before, these are the subordinating conjunctions. But to indicate some concession, adverbial clause of concession, we have to use the subordinating conjunctions like though, although, even though, certain words we have to keep in mind. And to indicate some condition, if, unless, sometimes whether, if or whether, unless. These subordinating conjunctions should be memorized. And to indicate some consequence, often we use so that not, so that not. That indicates only consequence. In case of comparison or degree, as far as great as large as, something like. And to indicate manner, often it is introduced by as. And here to indicate the purpose, often, always you can say so that I work hard so that I can get a job, so that I can get some good name and fame. Like that. When you keep all these subordinating conjunctions in mind, it is easy for you to identify the names of the subordinated clauses in order to serve the purpose of getting marks in various examinations. And I hope, and this is the end of this topic, and I hope that you are satisfied with this video. If you are really satisfied with this video, you can like it, share it, comment on it, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel once. Happy watching.